I'm Vic Kaladindi. I work for Elkay Manufacturing. I'm a senior manager, enterprise systems, responsible for all the ERP applications here at Elkay. Elkay is a global manufacturer of several products. We make drinking water fountains and bottle filling stations that you see in all the commercial places, airports, gymnasiums, schools, hospitals. We are the largest manufacturer of stainless steel sinks, and also we have a commercial and industrial division that makes stainless steel tables and kind of like the back of the counter products. Rimini Street supports us on Oracle EBS, which includes Agile PLM, EBS, and then Oracle VCP along with OBIE and all the databases. Some of the reasons we were looking at third-party support was to reduce the cost and improve the services we were getting from the current vendor. Our VP of Operations wanted us to focus on manufacturing 4.0 to reduce warranty and improve the quality of the products we make. We were always constrained with funding and the resources to start on, some of the transformative projects that we want to invest in the future projects. Rimini Street helped us to pursue a business-driven roadmap by helping us with some of the digital transformation initiatives, by reducing the costs and better services to help the business. Elkay is currently working on a 3 to 5 year cloud roadmap to move all of our business applications from on-prem to the cloud, and Rimini is helping us with that go-forward integration strategy. There is a clear difference in the support we are getting with Rimini Street. It has been, getting the primary key support engineer, a dedicated engineer that is available to us all the time, and also getting the SLAs to support the P1 and the P2 issues on time. We have had quite a few P1 issues, and one of them with our demand planning application. When we ran into a critical issue over the weekend, we got a call from the support engineer within 10 minutes who helped us get the right infrastructure engineers in place and have the issue resolved in a few hours. Rimini Street provides a lot of services outside of just the support, and we had reached out to them to help us with our release management solution assessment, and that kind of helped us drive towards a roadmap how we're going to implement those solutions. Our relationship with our vendor has improved since we moved out of the support, and also we have been investing in additional business tools. What I would tell other companies is to seriously evaluate other support options that they have outside of their primary vendor, because it's going to improve their capacity and agility to innovate. Rimini Street has been fantastic and great to work with. It's been a great journey so far.